Hey everyone, Dane here. Today I'm going to show you how to get the best Shopify free trial available in 2024. This extended deal is going to save you a ton of money as you launch your online store, so let's dive right in. First things first, click the link in the description below. This special link will take you to a Shopify page offering an incredible deal. Sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for just $1. That's right, you'll get access to all of Shopify's powerful features for a fraction of the regular price. Once you click the link, you'll see a page where you can enter your email and sign up. After that, Shopify will ask you a few quick questions to set up your account. Don't worry if you're not sure about all the options. You can always change these settings later in your Shopify dashboard. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. This extended trial gives you plenty of time to build and launch your store without any major upfront costs. You'll have access to all of Shopify's features, including a customizable online store, multiple sales channels like social media and online marketplaces, point-of-sale features for in-person selling, and much more. When it comes to pricing after your trial, Shopify offers two flexible options. 1. Pay monthly, perfect if you want to keep things flexible. 2. Pay yearly. This option saves you 25% on your subscription. A great choice if you're in it for the long haul. Remember, this offer won't last forever. By using the link in the description, you're locking in this incredible deal that you won't find anywhere else. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. Use this trial period to really dive in and explore all of Shopify's features. Set up your store, add products, and maybe even make your first sale, all before you have to decide on your payment plan. If you have any questions about setting up your Shopify store or choosing the right plan, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you succeed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.